So let's look at part 2. Point Y lies on CD. So where's CD? CD is this C to D here. I draw the line here, C to D. Such that OX, Y are collinear. So OX and Y are collinear. So here will be collinear here. So this is Y. Alright. Express OY in terms of A and B and find the ratio of OX to OY. Alright. So that is it. So I think you're going to use a similar concept here. Rather, we're just going to find what's the line of CD here and just intersect with the line equation of OX. We can actually find OY. Alright. So let's look at that. I'm going to just find out what is line CD first. So this case here for part 2. Okay. I'm going to find what is line CD. So line CD, we know that actually just R equals to OC. I think OC will be E, it doesn't matter whether OC or OD, plus, let's say lambda mu, and I'm just use gamma, gamma CD. Okay. Now the problem now is I need to find the intersection between this line here and this line here to find what's my OY, right? So that's why I need to find the line CD here. That's what I'm going to do. So from here, what I'm intending to do is actually just write this down. R, where gamma is its real value, and R is equals to OC, which is 2A plus 4B plus gamma, which is actually OD minus OC. Right. Then this will just be R equals to 2A plus 4B plus gamma OD, which is actually B plus 5A minus 2A plus 4B. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to just write this R equals to 2A 4B gamma 3A minus 3B. Okay, this is 3A minus 3B. There you go. So I think that's about it. Now OX, we already found OX, right? We can have the line of OX because we already found OX here. This is our OX here. So OX is just line OX. Of course, the easiest is just use the origin plus lambda gamma gamma. I'm going to use alpha. Okay, OX. So R is just alpha, the 5 over 4A plus B. So this is 5 over 4A plus B. Alright, there you go. So now we can just compare. So for find at point of intersection. Okay, LCD equals to LOX. So I'm going to just equate them both. Just 2A plus 4B plus gamma 3A minus 3B equals to alpha 5 over 4A plus B. Okay, so this case here, what I'm going to do is actually just compare them. So 2 plus 3 alpha. So do what with this, the same thing as the first part. So 2 plus 3 alpha, gamma, sorry. Gamma, on the hindsight, my gamma and alpha looks the same. So it's not that good. 4 minus 3 gamma B 5 over 4 alpha A plus alpha B. Okay, so we can just compare as usual. This by comparing, okay, the coefficient of A and B, we can actually deduce what is OY. So this case here. So by comparing, because they are non-parallel, so 2 plus 3 gamma equals to 5 over 4 alpha. 4 minus 3 gamma equals to gamma. So this is 5 over 4 alpha minus 3 gamma equals to 2. That will be 3 gamma plus alpha equals to 4. Now, I do not know, I've repeated this countless times. I think a lot of times students will just solve the linear simultaneous equation and think that there's no mark. Okay, so just use your GC or use your calculator, your Casio, to just solve this here. Please don't don't think that they're gonna give you mark for that. So simultaneous equation, just use your calculator and solve it. So -3, 2, 1, 3, 4. There'll be alpha is alpha is 8/3 and gamma is so once done, what we can do is actually just find what's OY, hence OY will just be key in calculator. OY just key into one of the equation. I think this is easier. So OX is using alpha, right? So this is 8/3. Alpha will be 5/4 alpha plus B. Okay, or rather this is actually, because we need to find the ratio later, right? OY, yeah, so this is, just write this down. This is actually just 8/3. Okay, but anyway, OY is equals to 5, so to 10/3 alpha. All right, that's 1. Then we know that since OY is equals to 8/3 OX, okay, you know that OY, if you mod both sides, will just be 8/3. You can't really, you can't divide vectors, okay? So once you divide it, we can actually divide OX to OY. So this is OX. So 3/8 is equals to OX to OY. OX to OY is just 3 to 8. Okay, so that's how we do this question here proficiently. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next question.